Hey guys, we're going to try out this book press here. It's kind of a simple version of what like Gutenberg and other printers would have been using. Presses something down. So I've got two stamps here. I want to make sure my paper covers it completely. Yes, it does. And then I'm going to ink them up. Make sure there's plenty of ink on them for when it stamps. Okay. Alright, and I'm putting them on a piece of cardboard so I won't get ink anywhere. If you get ink on you, just rub it till it's dry, and then you can keep working. Okay, then I'm gonna put my paper on top, and then do not move it once it is touching the stamp, because then it will smear. I'll slide it under. I'm gonna try to get it under the middle of my book press, because that's where the pressure is gonna be. And I'm gonna spin it so it goes down. Alright, once I can feel it start to push, I'm going to give it a little squeeze. Make sure it's not wiggly. Okay, and then I can pull it back up and we'll see how the impression did. Okay, let's see. And there is my stamp. Okay guys, have fun taking turns trying this out. Bye.